Hello and welcome to our Sky Vision FX channel, where we review the London session of the pound USD on the 15 minutes time frame. Coming soon, we'll also be reviewing the daily time frames and the 4-hour time frames, so watch out for that. Okay, so please do remember to subscribe and like and share and make a comment below. Thank you. Let's go to the charts. Okay, so we see that price, like we like to always ask, what are the three questions? What did price do before now? So what did price do in the Asia, during Asia session? Where is price now, and what must I see price do before I take a trade? So let's analyze that. So what has price done in this Asia session? Let's get the pen. So price started out somewhere there. It moved up and then moved down. It's been moving down in a nice format, given a small trend downwards. However, it's when you look at it in a bigger, looking at the bigger picture, it might just be in a big range. Okay, so let's see what can we see right now. Okay, right now we can say that price from this level to this level, it's moving, though it's just over 30 pips. Let's see how many pips it's done. Just a sec. So from this top to this bottom, that's about 38, well 37. Okay, so we have a number of ways we can take this. One is to wait for price to come up to this level, and then we place an entry. That's if we agree that this is a trend downwards, a small trend, so we're only looking for 10-15 pips. If we enter here, put a stop loss maybe 10-15 pips away, and we're looking for 10-15 pips, then maybe just to the lows here. Okay, so that's one way. Another thing we can look at is to say that, okay, this is a big range. We'll wait for price, because price has just moved. If it got to this level and then came all the way down here, we can say we're expecting price to come back up to this level, and then we'll look for reversal signals, either a kangaroo tail or a bearish engulfing candle, so that we then go short. Okay, so that's a second scenario. The third scenario is what is already happening. This is a nice kangaroo tail right here, so we can look for take profit around there, and possibly even at the 0-0 level if we can push all the way down up to that level. So that's the third scenario. So a quick summary again. From this level here, we can say price is moving downwards, so we're looking for an opportunity to short either at that level or perhaps at that level, even at this level up here. We have quite a number of places that we can short. To go short, looking for just 10, 15, 20 pips. That's one way. The other way is to say this is because it's just about 30, just over 30 pips. It's not really massive. We can't see it clearly like this, like we see a clear trend here. So we can say that this is just manipulations. It just is a range setup. If it's a range setup, so what we'll be looking for next is for price to come back to these highs, to the 0-0 or just above it. We'll look for bearish engulfing candles or a kangaroo tail, and then we go down, just like we had yesterday. We had this what do we call it now, doji. We see these dojis is a pause in the direction, in this direction, and then we see price follow through. So we look for it, we wait for it to come up to this level, and then we go short. The third thing we said is that if we consider this as this is a nice kangaroo tail, we could have entered here if we started there, or if we see price come back down to this level, that would be a great entry to just look for 10-15 pips to the upside, maybe even 20 pips to the upside. So we can use any of those three directions, and remember, always use proper risk management. If you start with let's say 0.25%, and then build that up once you get some consistencies in your trading. Use start with 0.25, or if you want to increase it, 0.5% per trade, and then you move up from there. Okay,